Okay, here's what I got figured out so far. So we're gonna pretend that we just got back from a video shoot. We recorded 2 dogs and all their videos, and we have plugged it into our computer. These videos are still on the micro SD card. This is the external hard drive that we plugged in, and it's empty. Okay, so the dog videos, we're going to drill down to the videos. I'm assuming that they're in some type of chronological order like these are. I know there's 2 dogs on here, so dog names, we need dog A, super original here, dog B, and because I just shot these videos, I know the first 3 belong to dog A, and these last 2 belong to dog B. Obviously, we're gonna have a lot more videos, but anyway, and this, like I said, this is still, I'm doing this editing while it's still on the micro SD card. Once that's done, and I've got them in, I've got the proper videos in the dog's name folder, or however, whatever naming convention you use. Once that's done, I'm going to click on this video workflow, and that's going to run all the automation for us. So I'll double click this, and it's going to give you some brief instructions. It tells you what it does. It takes the movies from one storage device and loads them to an external hard drive and Google Drive. We need to plug in the memory card, which we've done, plug in external hard drive, which we've done, and then click continue. Then you go find this darn dialog box that's always hiding from me. Alright, so the first one wants to know where the video is. So we're going to drill down and we're going to highlight these 2 folders with the 2 dogs' names. So that's where the video is, and then choose the external hard drive. Where do you want the video to go? So we wanted to go to our external hard drive. Now it's going to do its thing. It's going to copy all these videos to the external hard drive. You can see it doing that here. And it's also going to put it in a folder that I'm going to leave on my desktop. It's called Off-Leash K9 Uploads. Okay, so on my desktop, Off-Leash K9 Uploads, and slowly but surely, it's going to load all those videos into here. What that's going to do is this is attached to my Google Drive. So if we open up Google Drive, and this is that backup and sync that I was talking about. Hopefully they can do it for the business one. So my computers, my iMac, Off-Leash K9 Uploads, which exactly matches this name. And so far only dog A is uploaded. This is what's going to take the longest amount of time, and that's why I put it last in this workflow. So we don't have to wait for this to get done before, I mean, if you look here in the external hard drive, all the videos are here. So you could actually eject this hard drive and do what you need to do with it, all while everything's still uploading here. And it looks like dog B is popping in now. Give me just a second. And where'd it go? We'll just do this again. And you can kind of see the progress here. It's a little cut off. It says syncing 2 of 7. I don't know why. Oh, it's the 5 videos and then these 2 folders. So 7 items total. So let's open that back up. Anyway, I'm going to pause and then I'll come back to this. So this, in essence, is what we're pretending to be is your business Google Drive account. Okay, so I don't even remember where I left off because this is the next day. So as you can see on my Google Drive account, this is the, if you go to computers, iMac, which is this device or this machine, and then you'll see if this will ever open up. There it is. Off Leash Canine Uploads, which is basically this folder. Inside, Dog A with 3 videos. And let's go back. Dog B should have 2. And it does. And then what we can do is I've set it up so when oh, it's right here. When I go in here, whoa. When I go into the folder and what is this? Let's see if make sure everything plays. We had the issue in Dog A. So I don't really know how to use Google Drive besides just to store files in it, so. I'll speed this up. Okay. Yep, looks like they all play. So I don't know what the issue is with that little exclamation point, but either way, we take these once we're sure that everything's uploaded, and we move those to our trash can, because we don't want to use up the room on your computer. And that's it. So let me know if this is going to work out for you.